Hey guys, I'm working towards getting my Tesla wall connector installed onto this wall. The surface material on this one is a bit challenging. This is a plaster wall and there is 160 millimeters of stone wool underneath it, and after that we have a concrete wall. So installing directly onto the wall is not possible, so I decided to get this board first bolted onto the wall, and I had to use these 240 millimeter long screws and also a long drill bit. So I bought a 300 millimeter long drill bit and made a few holes into the wall, and then used these nylon plugs and these long screws, and I was able to fix this wooden board onto the wall, and it actually works surprisingly well. So the next step is getting this wall connector installed here on the wall. After this step I will need an electrician to wire it up then. So the wall connector came with these installation instructions, and you have a few options. So you can either take the power cable from the top, or from the bottom, or from one of those making a hole onto the back. I'm going to do it from the bottom, so the next step is using a 5 millimeter drill bit to make holes in the back, and then a 2.5 millimeter with the drill template to make holes in the board, and then I can use 2 screws to mount it on the wall. So this is the back plate of the wall connector, so I'm going to drill that open with 5 millimeters, and also the same for the top. So that was quite easy. Okay, so the next step is to use this drilling template, and I need to decide where I want to have the wall connector, and I think maybe that would be a good spot. It would cover both of the screw holes, and yeah, I think that's good. Then, well, you could use a measure, but I'm quite confident that when I hang it like this, it should come on the center. Okay, so the next step is to use the 2 screws which it came with in a small bag. So they're quite long screws like this, and it says you should use a PZ2 drill bit or screw bit to screw it in. So let's do that. It's also a good idea to check will it go through the wood, and this is just about the full length of the double board I have on the back. Okay, the last bit is a bit tight with the screwdriver because this is coming out, so I'll do that by hand. Okay, the top screw is totally in. It was a bit tighter than I expected, and you need to be careful with the heads of the screws that you don't overturn them so that you lose the grip if you slip. But I'll do the bottom screw next, and then it's time to get an electrician to do the rest of the install. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and you can go check down below in the description my next video about the Tesla wall connector setup with the mobile phone. Thanks for watching.